Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to hide a folder. For this, we'll create a folder first. Do a right click on the desktop. Click on folder. Now to hide this folder, you need to do right click. Look for properties. Over here, you will see a hidden option. Click on it. Click on apply and press OK. You can see there was a folder over here and it has got hidden. Now to unhide this folder, you need to open File Explorer. In the File Explorer, click on View, click on Show and select Hidden Items. You can see it will be visible. Now to hide this folder again, you need to click on View, click on Show and untick this Hidden Items. This folder will get hidden again. So anything kept inside this folder will also get hidden. So that's all for today. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rishi Labs.